That's an important message. That is why Sri Ramakrishna used to say, think of God, adopt whatever method that is possible. And Sri Ramakrishna has given, the Upadesha according to the individual, according to their capacity. There were people like Narendranath and others. Sri Ramakrishna gave entirely different, showed them entirely different paths. For them, Upadesha was different. And there are again people who are engaged in their household duties, take care of the family. For them also Sri Ramakrishna gave. But then, that's a different scenario. According to each individual capacity, but ultimately what Sri Ramakrishna did was lifting the level from the level, lifting a man, an individual, from whichever level that man is. Even the drunkards, they became saints. The company of Sri Ramakrishna. Remember, in the same way there are many who are right from childhood, they were very pure. The mind was very pure. Straight away they could go to God. That capacity, they also became saints. Drunkards, illiterate people like Atu Maharaj, Swami Adbhutananda, no formal study at all, but he became saints. What ultimately is important in Sri Ramakrishna's message is that nobody is excluded. Caste was no barrier. Education background was no barrier. And this, whether one has money or not, that also was not considered. None of that sort. What was important? Heart of the man. Vyakulata. Do you have that feeling for God, that God is your own? That's what Sri Ramakrishna used to say. So that is why, make God your own. Make God your own. Swami Raghunathan used to say, make God your partner. In business we have partners. In the same way, make God your partner. That is what has to be done. Then what happens? Slowly, gradually, from the condition we are, where we just think about the problems of life, from there we start lifting ourselves, raising ourselves. Ultimately, a day will come. We will be doing all the duties, but then all of them for the sake of God, which ultimately gives tremendous joy in our life. So that is what is an important message of Sri Ramakrishna. All of them are contained in a book called The Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna. A tremendous book. It is written in a simple language, translated in all Indian languages also, many foreign languages. But then everyone can understand with these simple examples. Just now I gave that example, 1 and zeros. The same way there are so many important messages that is given by Sri Ramakrishna. So in Telugu it's called Sri Ramakrishna Kathamritam. So we have to read it. Why we have to read? If we have to understand what life is, if we have to lead a meaningful life, and if we have to understand that we have to become devotees of God, and how we can become, how we can proceed, and ultimately we can realize God, all those things have been very clearly explained step by step in that Gospel of Sri Ramakrishna. So that is why I'm extremely happy that we have this satsanga of we have come together just to think of God, remember God, and also think about the method by which we can develop devotion towards God, and those who are already devotees, how we can increase it. That's what is ultimately the purpose of life.
Hey, दुर्गति नाशिनी दुर्गा जय जय 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 आनंददायिनी दुर्गा जय जय आनंददायिनी दुर्गा जय जय आनंददायिनी दुर्गा जय जय दुर्गति नाशिनी 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 दुर्गा जय जय आनंददायिनी दुर्गा जय जय आनंददायिनी दुर्गा जय जय आनंददायिनी दुर्गा जय जय दुर्गति नाशिनी 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 दुर्गा जय जय आनंददायिनी दुर्गा जय जय आनंददायिनी दुर्गा जय जय आनंददायिनी दुर्गा जय जय आनंददायिनी दुर्गा जय जय दुर्गति नाशिनी 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 दुर्गा जय जय आनंददायिनी 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 दुर्गा जय जय. So again he says, go on chanting the name of God. Smarana cheyave manasa, bhajana cheyave manasa, Durga Mayi Pavana Namamu, Smarana cheyave manasa. So beautifully, he has taught us the practical way. So living in the world, live with all your relatives, everybody, how you can practice constant communion with God. Give an example of a housemaid, a servant working in the house. What a beautiful example Sri Ramakrishna has given. She does all the work. All children in the family she takes care. Oh my Rama, my Krishna, so much of love she pours on them. But she knows in the heart of hearts, none of them belong to her. Her house is somewhere separate. So live in the world like that.